Dear visitors, one of the most prominent forms of decorative and applied art in Tajikistan is kundal painting. To embellish kundal, the artist skillfully employs geometric motifs, Islamic ornamentations, and intricate interlaced designs. A permanent gallery within the Fine and Applied Art department is dedicated to the art of kundal. Here, the visitors can admire outstanding examples of contemporary kundal created by distinguished Tajik artists. Among the renowned masters of this craft is Rahim Ahmadov, who graduated from the art college named after Mirza Rahmat Olimov in 1978. One of his notable creations is called Pomegranate Flower, which was completed in 1986. At the center of the panel, the form of a pomegranate and its imagined interior are depicted with creative expression. The artist skillfully blends Islamic and geometric patterns, achieving a composition that is both elegant and captivating. Dear visitors, if you would like to learn more about this kundal art and many other works, we warmly invite you to visit the National Museum.